Welcome everybody to our PharmaFORUM Webcast International series. Our topic for today is global eCTD Lifecycle Management. I'm very happy that an outstanding expert is with us today, Remco Munnik. Remco, you have a long experience in regulatory affairs. It's more than 20 years now, and I think it's outstanding. You started really as a regulatory affairs assistant, then you became an officer manager, then went into project management, in IT strategy, then in regulatory information. And now you're associate director at IPERION, and as such, you're focusing on regulatory information management, eCTD, and IDMP. We will speak today about strategic topics as eCTD version 4.0, but also on hands-on topics as UUID and all that kind of stuff you are focusing in your daily business.
So then it's my turn. Well, first of all, we are talking about eCTD now. In order to have electronic common technical document, we need to have the common technical document, where we have really, of course, the module 1 to module 5. If you look at the eCTD, where the module 2 to module 5 is really defined by the ICH. So it's an ICH. ICH always means Japan, Europe, and US. Where we have the module 1 really specific. So also eCTD started with these, started as an ICH project where module 2 to 5 is defined by ICH, and the module 1 specific information is defined by the region specific regulator, so by FDA, by PDMA, or by Europe, by EMA, and the HMA. If you look at your other regions, no, I mean, I heard South Africa, Australia, other regions, they can also adapt the ICH regulation. So that means they need to stick to the module 2 to module 5 structure. But for the module 1, then they have their specific regional guidance or even local guidance.